Hey, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make money on YouTube without ads. That's right, that means you can forget about ever having to pay for ads again, so stay tuned. Okay, so if you're a YouTuber, you definitely want to know how to make money on YouTube without ads. Why? Well, there are lots of reasons for this, but obviously, the less money that you need to put in up front in order to make any money, the better, right? All right, so what am I talking about specifically? Well, actually, it's pretty simple. I'm talking about using a strategy that uses free traffic to get your videos ranking on the top of Google and YouTube. So in other words, instead of paying for advertising, paying for ads like on Google or YouTube or Facebook, now you basically are leveraging YouTube and Google's organic or natural listings. Now, on top of the fact that you'll save a ton of money if you're not actually having to spend money month after month on Facebook advertising or any type of advertising in order to make money, there's also the benefit of knowing that free traffic actually converts much better than paid advertising. So you'll make more money from this type of marketing. Why? Well, it's simply because people are just turned off by ads still. Even though they've gotten a little bit more used to it, they're still turned off to it. They would much rather click on a listing that is provided to them by Google or YouTube from the organic listings. Now, not only that, but when you use this strategy correctly, you can actually get 50% conversion rates, which is unheard of in any industry and is truly amazing. So this strategy, let me tell you about the strategy. This strategy was developed by an internet marketer who has literally cracked the code to getting prime listings on Google and YouTube. And I'm going to show you some live results of his earnings in a moment. I'm also going to show you some of the results that I've been getting. But his name is Paul Murphy, and in a moment, I'm going to show you how he's making more than $145,000 in just 30 days from one product using this system. All right, so let's get to it. Let me show you some of his earnings first. So let's see here. This is a look inside of his Kartra account, and basically shows you his earnings. All right. So as you can, sorry, this is a little fuzzy. It's a screenshot, but this says here the last 30 days. I'm sure you can still make it out there, but this is over the last 30 days. You can see he's made $145,000. 145,224, and that is from 8,661 visitors. He's made 168 sales, and 126 of those are recurring billings. Now you can also see that the amount of refunds and cancellations, which is minimal, and the average customer lifetime value is at 587. But obviously the most important metric here to see is 30 days, $145,000. Now let me show you, if we look at this year, which was for the same product, you can see, excuse me, he's made $461,000, almost $462,000, which is just incredible. Now, to be totally transparent, I know we're talking about without any ads, but in his strategy, he teaches how to do this all without ads. However, as a marketer, he's always trying to experiment, and with these earnings, he did use a little bit of advertising, but it was actually less. I'll show you the screenshot here. It was $2,800 for the year. Okay. And if you look at that as opposed to the amount of money he made, it's less than 1%. Okay, so really it's negligible. All right, so let's look at some live listings. All right, so we're inside of Google, and I'm going to type in a key phrase, which is Kartra Trial. Kartra is a software, okay? And as you can see here, if you're not familiar with this, you're going to start seeing, if you haven't already, start seeing video showing in what Google calls its Google Carousel. And this is just prime real estate. It's usually up much closer to the top where I'll show you some examples of that. But as you can see, these are all people paying for ads, okay? So people are paying big money to be up here at the top, and here he is with an actual billboard that is showcasing he's number one. He's also here, this third listing here. Let's see if he's anywhere else in this carousel. I think that was it for that. But obviously, most important being here number one. So let's move on into YouTube. And again, I'm just going to refresh the page just to show you this. These are live listings. So here he is right here. Okay. And let's move on to another software, which is Kartra Demo. Actually, same software, just different key phrase. And here he is, number one. His YouTube channel is Passive Income Ladder. And let's see if there's anywhere. Here he is again. All right, and let's keep moving on. Kartra Demo, same keyword in YouTube. Here he is right here at the top. Demio Trial. And then these are, it's important to note these keywords. These are highly buying intent keywords. People want to see demos. They want to see it. This is Demio, not demo. This is the name of the software. They want to see trials because they're pretty much ready to buy. So this takes them one step closer. You can see here he's number one. Over here, Demio Trial, right here at the top. And here he is again. And let's go with webinar free trial. And here he is. He's dominating here. He's number one here, number three. Here he is again. Here he is again. He's all over the place on this one. Let's see on YouTube. And here he is. Here he is again. 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 So obviously you can see these are great keywords. Okay, so GroovePages versus ClickFunnels. Again, these are softwares. He's in the carousel. As I mentioned before, sometimes the carousel is right smack at the top, which is awesome. Okay, and so here, GrooveFunnels and YouTube, GrooveFunnels versus ClickFunnels. Okay, here he is. Okay, but something else I want to show you, as I mentioned, I'm starting to use this software. As you can see, I posted this just a month ago, and I'm already right here, right almost next to Paul, which he's been doing for much longer than I have. But as you can see, it's starting to work for me as well. And let's keep moving. So GroovePages affiliate. Okay, I want to show you some of my listings. So this is me. I'm Digital Synergy. Okay, so I'm there. And I believe I'm in, yep, I'm here again over there. And then let's say GroovePages free trial. Okay, this is my listing right here. Again, I'm Digital Synergy, so I am in the carousel. I'm showing up there. GroovePages free trial in YouTube. Here I am, number one. Okay, here I am again. And anywhere else here? No. Okay, and let's see. Keep going here. GroovePages pricing. And this is Paul, okay? And this is actually the creator of GroovePages. So Paul's actually beating the creator of the actual software, which is amazing. All right, and let's go to GroovePages pricing, okay? And let's see here. So here's Paul, okay? And guess what? I'm right here, Digital Synergy. And I'm right here, Digital Synergy. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Okay, here's Paul. And let's keep going here. So GroovePages lifetime pricing. And Paul's all over this one on the carousel. And let's see, GroovePages in YouTube, lifetime pricing. All right, this is amazing. I'm like totally dominating this. Digital Synergy, Digital Synergy, Digital Synergy, Digital Synergy. These are all my listings, guys. Digital Synergy. This is Paul. Okay. So, oops, this is me here too. Digital Synergy. This is me here too. Okay. So obviously, guys, you can see how excited I am about this. This really works. It's a great way to get in front of YouTube and in front of Google listings. So if you want to get access to this, see exactly how he does this, there's a link below to get free training where he reveals this exact strategy so you can see results like this for yourself. And all you need to do again is just click in the link below in the description and sign up to get the free training. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notify bell so you can see more of my latest videos on how to make money with YouTube. So go ahead, click the link below, sign up for this free training, and I will see you next time.